In this section, we will learn how to create homepage for our bookstore website. Homepage is a default page which the customers see when they are visiting the website. As you know, our web application is divided into two parts, the front end and the back end. The front end is for the users or customers, and the back end is for companies, staffs, and managers. The homepage we are going to create is the homepage of the front end. So it is called website homepage. And the homepage for the backend is called admin's homepage, which we will create in the next section. Here's our tag list in this section: create website homepage. We create homepage index.jsp, and then we create a homepage servlet, and we create the header and create the footer. And this is the design of our website homepage. It also describes the structure of every web page in our web application. That includes the header, the main content, and the footer.